Welcome to TaxZerone. In this video, we'll guide you through e-filing Form 1120-S. To get started, sign into your account or create one if you're a first-time user. Once you're logged in, click the Start New Return button in the Business Tax Forms section on your dashboard. If you're filing for a new business, select Add New Business to begin your filing. If you've filed with us before, simply select the business from your address book. For this demo, we'll select Add New Business. Enter the business information and the signing authority information, then click Save and Continue. Choose the tax year you are filing for, and then select Form 1120-S. Form 1120-S is the official IRS return used by S corporations to report income, deductions, credits, and other financial details. Instead of paying federal income tax at the corporate level, an S corporation passes its profits or losses to shareholders through Schedule K-1, who report them on their individual tax returns. You're now inside the form. Let's begin filling out the form. Start by selecting the type of tax year your company follows. Most businesses use the standard calendar year, but if your company operates on a fiscal year or a short tax year, select the appropriate option. Your basic business information will automatically populate the form. Enter the total number of shareholders in your S corporation for the year. Next, provide the details for the authorized signer. This should be a corporate officer such as the president, treasurer, or another authorized individual who has the legal authority to sign the return. If you have already entered this information along with the business details, it will be populated automatically. Once the information is entered, click Save and Continue. In Item H, indicate the type of return you are filing. You can mark it as a final return, name change, superseded return, or an amended return if you need to correct a previously filed return. If there has been an address change, remember that Form 8822B must also be submitted to the IRS. Move to Item C and check the box if your corporation is required to file Schedule M3. Then click Save and Continue. In Item A, select the date your S corporation election became effective, as accepted by the IRS. For Item B, choose the 6-digit business activity code that best describes your company's primary business activity. In Item E, enter the official date your business was legally formed. For Item G, select Yes if the corporation is electing S corporation status for this tax year. If so, you'll be prompted to attach Form 2553. Then click Save and Continue. Next, add the shareholder details. Enter the information for each shareholder required for Schedule K-1. Select the shareholder type, such as individual, trust, or qualified exempt organization, and provide their name, address, and ownership percentage. Once the details are entered, you can share the K-1 forms with shareholders directly from our platform. Send them securely via email or through our secure portal called Zerone Vault. From here, move to the Income section. This section is used to report the corporation's gross receipts, cost of goods sold, and other sources of ordinary business income. This information establishes your company's baseline revenue. The Deductions section is where you enter allowable business expenses, including officer compensation, employee salaries, rent, taxes, and depreciation. Based on the income and deductions you enter, TaxZerone automatically calculates your ordinary business income, which you can review in the summary. Next is the Tax and Payments section. While S corporations generally do not pay federal income tax, certain taxes, such as built-in gains tax, may apply. This section also reconciles any estimated tax payments made during the year. After that, review Schedule B, which includes several important questions about your corporation's accounting methods, ownership structure, and any foreign transactions. Then move on to Schedule K, where the corporation's pass-through items are summarized. In the Income section of Schedule K, report items such as rental income, interest, and dividends. The Deductions section includes items that must be separately passed to shareholders, such as Section 179 deductions and charitable contributions. The Credits section allows you to report any tax credits earned by the corporation that are passed through to shareholders. The AMT section records adjustments and preference items used by shareholders when calculating alternative minimum tax. In the shareholder basis section, report items that affect shareholder investment basis, including tax-exempt income and non-deductible expenses. The other information section includes additional reporting items, such as Section 199, a qualified business income details. Now you'll see the income or loss reconciliation of Schedule K. Take a moment to review the system-generated summaries for Schedule K and Schedule K1. Next, review the Schedule K1 for each shareholder. TaxZerone automatically generates Schedule K1 based on the ownership percentages you entered earlier. If everything looks correct, click Accept and Continue. Now move to Schedule L, where you build the corporation's balance sheet. Start with the Assets section, entering details such as cash, inventory, and depreciable assets at both the beginning and end of the tax year. Following that is the Liabilities and Shareholders' Equity section, where you report the company's debts, capital stock, and retained earnings so that your balance sheet balances correctly. Next is Schedule M1, which reconciles your company's internal book income with the taxable income reported on the return. After that comes Schedule M2, which tracks the accumulated adjustments account and other equity accounts used to determine the tax treatment of shareholder distributions. Next, go to the summary page to review your return. Our built-in audit system automatically detects errors. Simply click the Fix Error button. You'll be taken directly to the section where the issue occurred, so you can quickly review and correct it. You're almost done. Before submitting, review the generated PDF of your completed Form 1120-S. Once everything is verified and complete, you're ready to securely transmit your return to the IRS. Enter the credit or debit card detail and click Pay an e-file, and that's it. Your Form 1120-S filing is complete with TaxZerone. Visit TaxZerone.com today. TaxZerone, making your tax filing simple, secure, and affordable.